Good morning. How you guys doing? It's me, Corey Norris, and thanks for checking out my channel. If you have not been here, it's going to be some new changes and stuff going on with the channel, but I want to jump right into this. Does the pre-written emails convert in the back office of my six-figure marketing system that is 100% done for Infinity processing system? Now, the owner, Adriana Vergas, has teamed up with TJ Holloway to do done for you capture pages, video sales pages, bridge pages when it comes to marketing the Infinity processing system. Some people had issues with building their websites and their marketing systems, so her and him came together so it can make this portion of becoming an online entrepreneur a lot more simpler for those who are not tech savvy, who has issues with putting landing pages and capture pages and bridge pages together. If you don't know what that is, I'll do a video on what capture pages and lead pages are and how they can help you accelerate in your business. I want to keep this one real short, but I'm going to be using my six-figure blueprint, which I talk a lot about here on my channel, and my lead gen secret, which I also talk about here on my channel, which is a traffic source. It's a bulk mailer. They give you 100 emails per day when you signed up with them to send out a daily email to these leads to be able to turn leads into customers and customers into paying customers. So we're going to jump right into it. I have the link in the bottom of the description if you want to check out my lead gen secret as a bulk mailer. I'm going to go into the marketing system. It's my six-figure marketing system, and show you how we can connect these three together to be able to bring more generated leads to your opportunity. So let's jump right into it. Over here in my six-figure marketing system, let's go back over into the top of the dashboard. Oop, I have timed out. Give me 1 second. Let's jump back in here. So here we are back into the back office. I'm going to show you how you can find those links. You're going to go down to my link, and it's going to take you over to this page. And down here it says Infinity Processing System. So I'm going to go here, and what I'm going to use to capture leads from my lead gen secret is this capture page here. Earn 50 to 600 per day. So I'm going to use this one. I already have it all put together in a notepad. It's going to take them to this video sales page. That's going to do all the telling and selling for you. If they're ready, they can click here and it'll take them over to your branded web page that you get with Infinity Processing System. They click here, it'll take them over into the proof group so they can see all the other people that's having success with setting up this system and getting started and seeing results. So I'm going to go over here into my lead gen secret. It's my front page office, where today I got 200 leads. Yesterday I got 200 leads. Now I have a bonus of 100 leads. I actually use the system to promote itself to these leads. I've gotten 2 people under me with using these leads, so that allowed me to get the bonus leads of 100. So now I'm getting 200 leads per day. As you can see, I sent out a message on the 7th. Yesterday I was highly busy, just didn't do it. I should be mailing every day. You should be mailing every day using this system. But I was able to send out to 8,600 leads, and as of right now 1,300 has opened, 100 has clicked at a 10% click-through rate, and these numbers continue to rise daily as people continue to open up their mail and go through what you have sent them. So I'm going to show you how we're going to create a message to send out today. I'm going to actually send again the pre-written email from the back office of my six-figure blueprint for Infinity Processing System, and I'm going to see how it converts and if it can get me leads with using my lead gen secret. So in here you want to select all, and today I'm mailing out to 9,000 emails. So I'm going to leave it send from Corey Norris at my lead gen secret, so they'll know that it's me who's sending these emails. I'm going to jump over here. So I'm going to pull out my notepad, which I have everything already set up and ready to go. I'm going to go over to emails. And this is the header I want to use. Come up here to copy. We're going to paste it right here in the subject line. Now, I did use the first name insignia in here, so when they see this, it's going to say, just for sake, Roger, 10 reasons to join IPS. So when using this, we're going to clear this field out. I'm going to go back into my notepad where I already have the email that I copied out of the back office. Let's bring this up a little bit more so we can be able to grab the whole thing and come all the way down. Again, we're going to copy. And here, when you go to paste it in, you're going to hit Control V, paste. Again, Control V, click OK, and everything's going to pop up in here. Now, I want to use an image with this because images speak 1,000 words. I'm going to click on here for the image URL. And if you don't know how to turn an image into a URL, we'll do a video on that. So I'm going to grab this image here that I grabbed from the proof group. I'm going to copy it, paste it here in the URL. I'm going to put our size. We want to bring it to about 100. 105 would be okay. Click OK, and there's our picture. Now I think I want to make this just a little bit bigger. So again, I'm going to go here. I'm going to paste that, and I'm going to bring it to 250. Hit OK. I'm going to bring this back up. So here now I have the image. Everything just about ready to go. It says right here, simply works. I'm going to click there. We're going to make that a clickable link. It has a URL right there for us. And again, I'm going to go back into my notebook. I'm going to go over here. This video sales page is what I want to send them. It's what we was looking at just a minute ago. I added a source code at source equals MLGS, so that way when someone comes through here, I'll know exactly where it came from. I'm going to hit OK right here, and now this here is a clickable link. See who on the inside. So this email is all ready to go, all ready to be sent out. And when it comes to sending the email, you can hit perfect time, or just send. I like to just send it. Perfect time, really, it varies from working time to time. Now with this bulk mailer system, you able to send out once a day. So in another 22 hours, I'll be able to send out another email to these leads, and at that time I will have 9,200 leads to send that email to tomorrow. So tomorrow I'm going to do an update and see how well this has worked, if it brought me any leads, and if I had any uh, purchases off these leads, and I'll keep you guys updated. Again, I have the links down in the description if you want to check out my lead gen secret as a traffic source, my 6 blue figure as a marketing system, and IPS is a attraction marketing course that teaches you how to attract the perfect customer and client to you. If you want to check that out, those links is in the description. Thank you for watching the video. Stay tuned. Somewhere here at the end caption, there's another video that's going to pop up. Enjoy that one, and I'll see you guys on the inside.